In your head, your English sounds great, clear, smooth, confident. But in real life, you hesitate, you struggle, you don't sound the same. And you think, what happened? I know this. Why can't I say it like I hear it? I'm Eric, and if your English sounds better in your head than out loud, this is why. Because this isn't about your level, it's about how your brain processes language. And once you understand this, everything makes sense. Let's break it down. In your head, you're not speaking, you're imagining. And imagination is easy. No pressure, no time limit, no mistakes. You've had this moment. You prepared something in your head. Okay, I'll say this. It sounds perfect. But when you actually speak, you pause. You forget. You change your sentence, and it doesn't match. Here's the truth. Thinking in English is not the same as speaking in English. There are 3 reasons. Reason 1, no pressure in your head. You have unlimited time. In real life, you don't. Reason 2, you're not producing language. You're recognizing it. That's easier. Reason 3, real speaking requires coordination. You have to think, choose words, speak, adjust, all at once. Fluency is not how well you think, it's how fast you can deliver. So how do you close the gap? Shift 1, practice out loud, not in your head. Thinking is not training. Speaking is. Shift 2, use time pressure. Give yourself limits. Say it in 5 seconds. This builds real skill. Shift 3, accept imperfection output. Your real voice develops over time, not instantly. Think of it like sports. Watching the game is not the same as playing it. You need real practice. So if your English sounds better in your head, that's normal. Now it's time to bring it into real life. You don't need better thoughts. You need better delivery. Real speaking, real practice, real progress. I'm Eric. Keep on keeping on. I'll see you in the next one.